like trades.
Uh-oh. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
That's why I turned.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Yep, here you go, buddy. Good thing we got here just in time.
Well, no. What time is it?
7:30.
Well, I picked you up at what? About 7:15, 10 after 7.
Yep. Here we go. Wave. Caboose.
He's pulling a lot of big cars, man.
Yeah.
I know one thing, we're too close. Like, the guy one of them cars would turn loose. Me and you would be done.
We're far.
Huh?
We are far.
That's a long train, man. Wow.
I know.
Shit, that's over 100 cars. It gotta be. Man, I have never seen one this long.
No.
Holy catfish. got to be 200 cars hooked up to that caboose. God, look at that. This is the longest train I ever saw. Too bad I didn't count them. They got to be about 200 cars he's pulling.
I'll count them now.
Too late now. Man, alive.
I think this is almost the end of the train. Then we're gonna watch the gates go up. Yep, that's the end of the train.
Where?
Back there.
No, there's still cars coming. Holy Christopher. God.
Yep. That's the end. Seems the end. Yep. Empty. But we can see the flashing light in the wires. Yep, that's the end.
No, that ain't it.
Yes, it is. Look.
Look, it's still.
Yep.
Now, that's it. Wow.
Bye, train.
There ought to be 200 trains that he was pulling.
I'm gonna watch the gates go up first.
Yeah, I will. I just want to get my
All
thing
the cars
straight
get
over
to
here.
go. Yep. He blew that horn back there. At the other crossing at Norfolk Southern. Hello. Thank you for watching.
Look at all the cars back
Oh,
there.
sorry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget some subscribers.
Garrison,
Peace out.
Look at all these